lovely wishes. It's Holly. Welcome to Dandelion Stitches. How are you? Just checking in. Is everything good? Or not? You know, some days are just better than others. But anyway, I know you're going to be okay. And life is good here. This time of the year we have a lot of birthdays. My oldest grandson just turned 11. Bless his little heart. Still will give his Nana hugs, and then his sister's birthday is in October, and partially, well, she's just doing me a favor of going with me to see the Taylor Swift movie. Her mother is also going, so we're all Taylor Swift all the time around here. I even have bracelets because I'm cool. I mean, I always liked Taylor Swift. I just wasn't familiar with like all of her music. So I'm getting there though. And it's fun. It's a fun thing to share with with 3 generations of women going to see Taylor. So anyway, today we've got the Open Gate box, which is always a joy. I did just get in on their Christmas box, so that will be awesome. And we are not judging this. We're just going to have a look. So, oh, and there will be a giveaway at the end. So hang on, and we'll switch to the other camera. Okay, let's get us out the Bloom of Doom. It's tape cut here. Come on, you can do it, Holly. It's just a piece of tape. Okay. And the gorgeous sticker. More cute stickers. Ooh, this looks party. All right. Let's just move the box out of the way. And the first thing up, project 1, is the tumbler table runner. And they generously provide me with the backing and the extra, you can get, these are add-ons. These are add-ons. This one is 10, the backing is 10, and the fat quarters is 12. So let's have a look at this beautiful, ooh, look at that. That's cool. Huh. Okay, so let's look at the fabric here. They always have it so creatively wrapped up. So this is some beautiful red. This is like a crimson red, sort of. It's a really deep, beautiful red. And then some pretty little leafy things. That's beautiful. That's going to be fun. And then table runner is 17 by 45, so it's a good long table runner. And this is the backing, which is the same as this one. So we'll get that out of the way. Project 2 is I Love Fall Storage Box. Also, it looks like there's a, the notion is the tumbler template that goes with this one. Cool. I don't have one of these. Oh, apologies. Oh, this is cute. I don't think that Monique sleeps. Like, she comes up with all these great ideas, and So this is the basket. Super cute. It is 4 by 4.5 by 3, so just a little thing. And we've got these super cute. Oh, it isn't directional. I like these pumpkins that they, there's some blues in there. That's different. Cute. And then I feel like there's fleece in there. Yep. Okay. So that is that. The spool of thread is, I want to say it's variegated, but I'm not sure. It's 2310. Probably not variegated, but very pretty. Before I open the fat quarters, I'm gonna do my fat quarter. You get one little fat quarter. Ooh, it's the moon. I love this. I feel like this is from somewhere, something I know. Moda. Going to the woods is going home. John Muir. This is Robin Pickens. Of course it is. Of course it's Robin Pickens. Okay. Now the fat quarters. Okay, with each bundle of fat quarters, you get a pattern. You won't have enough, obviously, fat quarters to make the entire thing, but you can make a block or have other fat quarters in your stash. And it says how many that you need if you want to make a bigger one. Night sky. I like it. Alrighty. This, oh my. This says goodness. This says Holly, like, I can hardly even. That's gorgeous. Wow. Wowzers. Let's see if there's a. Nope, it's a mystery. This one is Fall into Autumn by Art Loft for Studio E. Oh my, look at this one. Oh goodness. These just make me feel all fall. These are good. These are absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Monique. Thank you, thank you. These are just gorgeous. I feel like I want to decorate a room like this. And this. So pretty. Okay. So let me just make a little space here. Story of my life. Out of the way. Okay, I said there would be a giveaway. I'm going to show it to you at this camera. So, we have been purging, and I found this bin that had this pattern. It's the Double Dare lap quilt. Super easy, and it calls for a layer cake. So I have, trying to find the center here. Anytime we can find the center. Okay, so I'm just gonna buzz through these really quickly just so you can get an idea here. It's kind of Asian. It's kind of, I don't know what it's called. I really liked it. I still do really like it. This one's actually got birds on it, but it's hard to see. Oh, there they are. There's the birds. Okay. It's blues. That's cool. These little dots. This is my favorite piece. And there's 3 of them. More dots. Okay, so there's the layer cake. Oh, itchy nose today. It says a layer cake. I think I chose this for binding. This just because I really liked it and I might need more of it to do something. And then this is the actual backing. So everything but the batting is here. And I am going to give it away. I'm trying to be careful of what I have stashed away. Will I ever make it? I don't think so. So maybe one of you will. It is kind of, it could be masculine. It could be anything. So, what shall we say? Let's go to the other camera and we'll talk about it. Hey, it's Editing Holly who forgot to film the end of this video. We're gonna go with Double Dare in the subject line of the email you're gonna send me if you want to get in on the giveaway for the Double Dare quilt kit. Double Dare. I double dare you to enter into this giveaway. So every other giveaway, you're just going to send me an email. Please don't put it in the comments. Put in the subject line, Double Dare, and I will pick the winner probably Monday. So I think that's it. All the news that's news. Be well, be safe, and I will see you real soon. Bye-bye.